If you can get these three things right, you'll be on your way, and your fitness journey will take off. You'll start building the muscle you've always wanted and feel stronger than ever. In this video, I'm going to share what I've learned from 5 years of fitness and break it down into 3 easy steps I'd follow if I were starting my journey to build muscle in 2025. Step 1. Know your why and set a goal. The first thing you need to do is to understand your why. This means figuring out why you want to start your fitness journey. Maybe it's because you want to get stronger, look better, or just feel healthier. Whatever your reason, make sure it's clear in your mind. Once you know your why, set a specific goal, like building bigger muscles or losing weight. This goal will keep you focused and motivated, especially when things get tough. If you don't have a clear goal, it's easy to lose motivation and quit before you see any real results. Step 2. Find exercises that challenge you and make a solid workout plan. It's important to find exercises that not only target the muscles you want to build but also challenge you, even if they're tough. For example, if you're aiming to build a strong back, you might look up exercises like pull-ups or rows. When you search for best exercises on YouTube, choose the ones that even though they're difficult, you're willing to push through because they'll get you closer to your goals. Once you've chosen your exercises, it's crucial to create a workout plan that fits into your life. A structured plan like push-pull legs or PPL is really effective. The key is to have a schedule that you can stick to, whether you're working out 5 to 6 times a week for 30 minutes to an hour each sessions. Consistency is what leads to progress. Without a solid plan, you risk doing random exercises that may not help you reach your goals, leading to slower progress or even getting stuck in a rut. Step 3. Warm up. Use good form and recover well. Finally, always start your workouts with a warm-up to get your muscles ready and prevent injuries. When you're doing the exercises, focus on using good form. Don't rush through them or use too much weight too soon. After your workout, make sure you're eating right and getting enough rest so your muscles can recover and grow. If you skip these steps, you could end up hurting yourself, slowing down your progress, or even losing muscle instead of gaining it. If you want a complete novice guide to building your dream body, check out my ebook, Attractive Body Transformation. It's got everything you need: workouts, nutrition, and more. Links in the description. So I have a bonus tip. Have a never quit mindset. Never give up. There will be days when you don't feel like working out or when progress seems slow. But if you keep going and remind yourself of why you started, you'll eventually reach your goals. If you quit when things get tough, all your hard work will be for nothing. And you never know how far you could have gone. And that's it. If you follow these 3 simple steps, you'll be on the right path to building muscle and reaching your fitness goals in 2025. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next video. Boom.